Hello Uneek family, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about Avon's Hygiene Heroes. These are the standout things that Avon wants to highlight for you in this season, and I cannot wait to show you. So if you're not familiar with me, my name is Patrice, and over here we do unboxings for Avon, which include tips, tricks, reviews, first impressions, and a ton more. Also, I'm doing a Pokemon theme 25th anniversary makeup series, and we hope that you are enjoying that as much as I am. But today we're going to focus on those Avon Hygiene Heroes. These standout products are sure to help you navigate through your day-to-day life. I will be showing pictures on the end, like a little slideshow, like I love to do, so you can see all the other products that are available according with this Avon Defense Hygiene line. They are phenomenal and nonstop, and I am so excited to show you. One of the things that we would love to do is let you know that these products are 5 for the price of 2. Let that just sink in. We're saving you money purchasing these products from us. You get 5 for the price of 2. Not only are you helping your family in many different ways, you're also saving that money so you can buy things that your family normally does need, like hand sanitizer, mask, defense items like soaps, mouthwashes, and things like that. All these wonderful things that your family's already using now, come shop with us and we can help you save big. My link is always linked down in the description box below just for reference. Just go on and stop in and just see what we have. If you purchase from us, we thank you so much for being a value customer. If you look, we thank you for looking. And if not, hey, we just thank you for watching our videos. Before I get started, please do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you won't miss any time I upload. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It lets me know that I'm doing a really good job here at what I love to do. Now, this makeup look, I'm really excited about. And if you would like to see it in an upcoming video, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see how to do this mask ready look anytime, any day, day or night. All right, so let's get started. One of the wonderful things we love to do is make Linda handbags. I will actually make those in an upcoming video. Now, one of the standout stars of those bags are our wonderful hand sanitizers. They are the cucumber melon and also the vanilla. Now, remember, you're getting 5 for the price of 2. So you get 5 cucumber melons and you'll get 5 vanillas for the price of just 2 of these products. Now, going on to facial masks. Some of the kids are going to school. I know mine's are virtual. What are yours? Are they virtual or are they staying home with you? Well, even if they stay home with you, sometimes I let them go outside. They like to run errands. They like to go to the grocery store. The list goes on and on. You know, moms. You know. So with that, we do have our kid-friendly line of face masks, ranging from your biggest kid to your smallest kid in the most comfortable and beautiful designs they ever could love. For your little people, we have dinosaurs, because I know my daughter loves a dinosaur, so we got dinosaurs. We also have unicorns. We have sea foam green, blue, and pink. And of course, I will leave a special slideshow in the back to show you all the ones I don't have here. For the kids, they range from size 3 to 4 and also 5 to 8 to fit your kid's size face. I know my oldest daughter wears the 3 to 4 because she has a smaller size face. My youngest daughter actually wears a 5 to 8 because she has the chubbier cheeks like I do. It's okay. It's all right. She doesn't like the fact that she has to have a bigger mask, but hey, I'm thankful that Avon has it. So for the adults, I love the way they did this. They also have adult mask as well. Now, one of the masks that I have, being an Avon rep, I did grab the Avon Fashion mask that are just pink, like this. And they do have the Avon logo here. Now, each of the masks will have a pocket for filters. I actually took mine out because I had to get a new filter. So in here, there are a place to have filters. So you can add your filter in, and these wonderful adjustable straps, as you can see, with this adjustable band. So in case I need a little bit tighter, I can, or a little bit looser if I need to be. They fit comfortably around your face, and I'm actually going to demonstrate that to you. They fit just right around the back of your ear, and of course hooks. They cover your complete face from the bridge of your nose all the way down to your chin, and covers right across to about here. I could still breathe and everything. Now, if you have what they call a turtle shell cover, which is the cover that goes like this, they easily fit over those as well. I've seen a lot of people wear our mask with the turtle cover shells, and they work just as well. So my thumb is going to act like the turtle cover. There you go. And it's still fashionable. It's still nice. You guys, you can also still dress it up, dress it down. Any way you prefer, honey, you do your thing. You do your thing. Now, one thing I love about these masks is, even though there is a gap here, I can always take the string and adjust it and see how it flushes right against my skin. Not too tight, not too loose, just exactly the way I like it. Easy to take off and easy to clean. All I do is run it with a little warm or soapy water, rinse it out, towel, hang it in my little shower area for it to dry. Everybody's good for the next day. Or if I'm adventurous, I love to put them in the little meshy bags you get from the Dollar Tree. You know, that you put bras and lingerie and stuff in. Stuff all of our things in there. Throw them in the wash machine. Toss them in the dryer. They're not going to get harmed in any way. Only thing I would do is take the little plastic ring off the top when you do that. And it's easy to put right back on. If you take it off, it's easy to slip back on. Just go ahead and do that, so it's sanitized and everything for you. Lickety split and no problem. Now, another thing I love to do when I pair with my little kids' mask when they go to school, or if we're out and about, is these wonderful Avon Defense hand wipes. These are in this set of 10. Now, we do have the set of 50 wipes that are the bigger containers. I love keeping these in my purse, on my person, anywhere. I love keeping these in my daughter's bags. They're little to-go bags, because with our daughter having autism, we love to have her a little bag so she can go in, get her toys or whatever, and continue to do what she wants to do. Well, in her bag, she does have a pack of these 10-count baggies for her, so I can wipe off her little hands so we can go. I can wipe off the toy she was playing with and go. And I'm also actually going to be investing in the 50-count, just because I run through these a lot, but if I'm out and about myself, I just grab one of these, just a quick wipe and just toss. I'm ready to go. So perfect for that. We also have gloves. I do wear gloves in most occasions, like if I'm out grocery shopping, I do wear the gloves for that. I wipe them down with these wonderful antibacterial wipes after I'm done. And that's really the only time I actually wear the gloves, or if I'm doing stuff with my husband, because as you guys know, if you've been on this channel, he had surgery, and so I try to make sure I don't cross-contaminate stuff with him, so I have to make sure to always put on gloves. I get this question a lot. Patrice, why are you wearing gloves? Why are you wearing gloves? Blah, 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 blah. My husband had surgery. I don't want to infect his wounds. I have to wear gloves. There you go. So that's why I wear gloves. There are many different options to enhance your hygiene with Avon. There is the mouthwash. There is body soaps. There is tons and tons more, like gloves, like the adult mask, the filters, the disposable mask, and the list goes on and on. And if your children are anything like mine, or if you have an autistic child, try these 5-pack lanyards from Studio 1886. These are beautiful 5-pack lanyards, and they're all in different colors. So even if you have a little boy, a little girl, or anything like that, there's purple, white, pink, black, beautiful colors to correspond with their wonderful masks. So when they wear it and have their little lanyard, if they drop it off, it's not going to hit the ground and it's gone. It'll easily just fall to their little chest and they can easily just pull it back up. I learned that especially works well with our daughter because she doesn't like the restriction of the face mask. And so when she gets frustrated, she'll take it off, but it doesn't fall to the ground and I have to destroy it. It just falls right to her chest and then she could just put it back up. So I absolutely love this. Was like, this right here was the best investment I ever did, was buy our lanyards, the 5-pack lanyards. Of course, I will leave all that down in the description box below under shop our video in the Avon product section. And also everything that I'm wearing on my face today, I'll also put it down in the shop our video under brand products or Avon products. I hope that you enjoyed this wonderful, informative video of just a few of the things that Avon has to help defend your family during these times. I hope that you enjoyed it just as much as I did. I am going to be reordering some more face masks for me and my husband, and also some more masks for friends and friends of friends and friends of friends of friends. Because for that deal of purchase 5 for the price of 2, this deal is too good to pass up. Remember, my link is down in the description box below, just like always. And plus, my beautiful Uneek Squad sisters are down there as well. So go ahead and check them out as well. And this beautiful shirt I actually got from Avon. It is a 26-28 and it's part of a beautiful 4-piece set. And this is just the Meow Kitty one. I love it. It goes beautiful with my makeup and I'm feeling frisky in my new Avon clothes. Well, that is all the time that we have for today. We hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. More things are coming your way, including clean beauty. That's right. Avon is introducing clean beauty in campaign 7. And if you don't want to miss that, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of the updates coming soon. From my family to yours, have a blessed day, be safe, and we'll catch you on the flip side.